Looking for a reliable hiking backpack that won't cost a fortune? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the best budget hiking backpacks on Amazon for 2025, all under a price that fits your wallet, but packed with features you'll love. Whether you're planning weekend hikes, travel adventures, or just starting your outdoor journey, these backpacks deliver quality without the high price tag. Let's dive in and find the perfect one for you. Evergreen Tree Money Bag. Looking for the perfect hydration solution for your long runs, cycling adventures, or marathon training? The Udo Best 5L Running Hydration Vest is built for athletes who want to stay light, comfortable, and hydrated without the hassle. This ultra-lightweight vest is designed with breathable and sweat-proof fabric, making it ideal for hot weather and intense workouts. It fits snugly against your body, reducing bounce and preventing chafing, a must for serious runners and cyclists. With a 5-liter capacity, this vest offers plenty of room for water, energy gels, and small essentials like keys or a phone. The smart pocket layout makes it easy to access everything you need on the go. Plus, the adjustable straps ensure a customized fit for all body types, keeping you secure and comfortable during long-distance runs or trail adventures. Whether you're training for a marathon, hitting the trails, or simply enjoying a long jog, the Udo Best Hydration Vest is designed to support your endurance goals with ease. What sets this vest apart is its balance between performance and comfort. It's not bulky, and it doesn't weigh you down, so you can focus on your pace, not your gear. The durable, sweat-resistant material ensures it holds up well in all weather conditions. If you're tired of carrying water bottles or wearing uncomfortable packs, the Udo Best Vest is your game changer. If you're searching for one of the best hiking backpacks that combines hydration, comfort, and durability, look no further than the Water Buffalo Hydration Backpack, Roadrunner 12L Hydro Pack. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this lightweight hydration pack includes a 2-liter water bladder and provides a total storage capacity of 12 liters, making it perfect for hiking, running, biking, festivals, or any high-energy activity. Whether you're on a mountain trail or navigating a music festival, this backpack keeps you hydrated and hands-free. The Roadrunner Hydro Pack stands out for its smart, compact design that doesn't sacrifice space. With multiple compartments and pockets, it offers plenty of room for your gear, snacks, phone, wallet, keys, a light jacket, all organized and easy to access. The 2L BPA-free water bladder is built with a leak-proof seal and a quick-access bite valve, allowing for smooth and easy hydration on the go. No stopping, no spilling, just efficient hydration when you need it most. Comfort is another major win with this pack. The adjustable chest and shoulder straps ensure a secure fit, while the breathable mesh padding keeps you cool during long treks or warm weather outings. Lightweight yet rugged, it's made from durable, water-resistant materials that hold up well in various terrains and conditions. It's also versatile enough for urban adventures, daily runs, or rave festivals where mobility and hydration are essential. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike or a day-long bike ride, the Water Buffalo Hydration Backpack is a must-have companion that checks all the boxes: hydration, comfort, capacity, and style. When it comes to finding the best hiking backpack for short trips, day hikes, or travel adventures, the Skyspur Small Hiking Backpack, 20L, is a top contender. Designed for both men and women, this lightweight day pack offers the perfect balance of functionality, comfort, and style, making it an ideal companion for anyone who loves the outdoors. Whether you're trekking through the forest, exploring a new city, or heading out for a quick mountain hike, this backpack is built to go the distance without weighing you down. The 20-liter capacity provides ample space for your hiking essentials. Think water bottle, snacks, camera, first aid kit, extra layer, and more without feeling bulky or overloaded. Its streamlined design makes it incredibly easy to carry, and it fits well in overhead compartments or under airplane seats, which also makes it perfect for travel. The multiple compartments and mesh side pockets help keep your gear organized and easily accessible while you're on the move. What truly sets the SkySpur backpack apart is its comfort and durability. Crafted with high-quality, water-resistant materials, this daypack can withstand light rain and rugged terrain. The padded shoulder straps and breathable back panel are designed to reduce fatigue and keep you cool, even on longer hikes or warm weather trips. The adjustable chest and waist straps help distribute weight evenly, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit throughout your journey. Lightweight, versatile, and durable, the SkySpur 20L Hiking Daypack is the perfect choice for anyone seeking a dependable pack for day hikes, travel, commuting, or outdoor adventures. Its minimalist look with practical features makes it a favorite for both casual hikers and seasoned adventurers. School backpack ready to hit the trail or your next destination. Click the link in the video description to grab your SkySpur small hiking backpack today. Lightweight comfort meets everyday adventure. Evergreen Tree Airplane.